CBD for human use is known to be beneficial, but can the same be said for dogs? Disorders that affect humans are much like those that affect canines, as they share the same biological systems as humans. Just as CBD has shown great benefits to the human biological system, it is shown to be just as beneficial to those same biological systems in dogs. Some things that CBD can help your dog with include cardiovascular health, seizures, pain and inflammation, appetite, anxiety, and cancer. Heart disease in canines is almost as high as it is in humans, with approximately 10% of dogs affected by the disease. The most common form of heart disease in canines is valvular disease, making up 70 to 75% of reported cases, and is most frequently found in smaller dogs over the age of 5. At first, your dog may not exhibit any symptoms, but as the disease progresses, some noticeable symptoms may begin to show themselves. Some of these symptoms include fatigue, reduced willingness to walk or exercise, difficulty breathing, loss of appetite, weight loss, a distended abdomen, trouble sleeping, and coughing. Studies show that CBD can reduce the impairment from damaged blood vessels and irregular heart rates. Furthermore, CBD can protect the blood vessels from damage and dilate the arteries. It is projected that up to 5% of dogs suffer from seizures. In some cases, these seizures could be idiopathic, meaning that they are possibly genetic. Just a few dog breeds that are prone to inherit symptomatic seizures are Beagles, German Shepherds, Belgian Shepherds, Dachshunds, English Springer Spaniels, Irish Wolfhounds, Collies, Golden Retrievers, and Poodles. In most cases, these dogs are put on potassium bromide or phenobarbital. Though these drugs can keep seizures regulated, they can be damaging to your dog's liver and other organs. The studies on CBD and epilepsy have been overwhelmingly positive. In one study, 7 out of 8 of those with drug-resistant epilepsy showed high improvement within 5 months of starting the treatment. Another survey showed that 84% of children with drug-resistant epilepsy saw improvement with taking CBD as a treatment. Anecdotal evidence has shown seizures in dogs being stopped in under 1 minute of consuming CBD. Many dogs, especially as they advance in age, suffer from joint and hip pain. This can lead to depression and advanced aging, as they are unable to get the exercise that they once could. In many cases, canines are prescribed non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NSAIDs, to treat joint pain and arthritis. Coincidentally, studies show that NSAIDs themselves can cause and accelerate the arthritis that they were prescribed to decrease. Studies have been shown that the inflammatory response in the body is blocked with the use of CBD, decreasing the amount of inflammation in the joints and body. CBD will not only lessen the joint pain felt by your dog, but will also do it without the adverse effects of NSAIDs. A suppression in canine appetite can be caused by many different factors, from depression to illness. In numerous cases, dogs stop eating when they become depressed. This can be caused by the loss of a companion or simply their owners leaving for work. Much like humans, a reduction in appetite is a common symptom of depression. Not only can CBD uplift the mood of your pet, studies have shown that CBD also increases the appetite. Separation anxiety is very common amongst domesticated animals, and the smallest noise can frighten certain dogs. Whatever the reasons, dogs can experience emotional trauma in very similar ways, and they deserve the same access to relief. There has been numerous anecdotal testimonies of CBD helping canines in cases of separation anxiety and long travels. Past experiences can also play a large role in the anxiety felt by your dog, as many canines living in shelters often suffer from anxiety due to past experiences prior to being in the shelter. Some shelters have seen great benefit in providing anxious dogs with CBD treats, allowing the dogs to become more social and relaxed during their stay. Without the psychoactive effects of THC, studies show that CBD offers great benefit in the treatment for anxiety. Cancer is just as serious in canines as it is in humans, with cancer being the leading cause of death in canines over the age of 10. Studies have shown that CBD can halt the development of cancer cells and kill the cancer cells by blocking their capacity to produce energy. Additionally, CBD will also treat the symptoms that present themselves along with cancer, such as lack of appetite and fatigue. Though the opinions of CBD use in the veterinarian circles are still mixed, the overwhelmingly positive anecdotal evidence and testimony show that CBD is a great option in the treatment of your canine. For more information on CBD, you can find us at greengardengold.com. Thank you for watching.